Hey there, road warriors. Ever feel like your motorcycle's engine isn't trying to tell you something? Maybe it's whispering, feed me the good stuff. Well, today we're diving into the world of motorcycle oil because just like you wouldn't fuel up on stale coffee before a long ride, your bike doesn't want subpar oil. Let's rev up and get into the nitty-gritty. What's in a number? Understanding oil grades. Alright, first up, let's talk numbers. No, not your top speed, but those mysterious digits on the oil bottle like 10W40. Think of them as your oil's secret code. The first number is like your bike's winter jacket, how well the oil flows in the cold. The second, that's the summer gear, how it handles the heat. Choose wisely, or your engine might throw a tantrum faster than a rider in a traffic jam. Synthetic versus conventional oil, the showdown. Now, here's a debate hotter than a carburetor on a summer day. Synthetic or conventional oil? It's like choosing between a gourmet burger and a drive-through special. Synthetic oil is that high-class meal, designed in a lab. It's smoother, lasts longer, and keeps your engine cleaner. Conventional oil? It's good old reliable, but don't expect it to win any awards for endurance. So, unless your bike's on a diet, synthetic might be the way to go. Additives, the spice of oil. Life, just like your favorite spicy sauce, can turn a bland meal into a feast. Oil additives are the secret ingredients that make your engine purr. We're talking about detergents that keep the engine clean, anti-wear agents that protect like armor, and friction modifiers that make everything smoother than a freshly paved road. So next time you grab a bottle of oil, remember it's not just oil, it's a cocktail for your engine. The common mistakes: don't be that rider. Let's face it, we've all been there, riding around thinking, the oil can wait another week. But here's the deal. Delaying an oil change is like pushing your luck on a bald tire. Eventually, it's gonna blow. And mixing different oil types? That's like wearing mismatched socks to a biker meetup. Just don't do it. Stick to one type and make sure you're changing it on time, or your engine might stage a revolt. The perfect oil for your ride. Choosing the powder. The right oil is like picking the right gear. Get it wrong, and it's gonna be a rough ride. Whether you're cruising the highway or tearing up dirt trails, your bike's oil needs to match your riding style. If you're all about high performance, go for synthetic. If you're a weekend warrior, conventional might just do the trick. But whatever you choose, make sure it's the right fit for your engine, because nothing's worse than an engine that feels like it's had one too many. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to motorcycle oil. Next time you're out on the road, you can ride with confidence knowing your engine's got the best possible protection. Remember, a well-oiled bike is a happy bike, and a happy bike makes for one happy rider. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and the throttle wide open.